Okay, welcome to day number 3 of the blizzard of 96. And as hopefully you can tell, it is snowing again. They said last night that we may get a dusting to an inch today. Well, it has been snowing like this since about 9:30 or 10 this morning. And now they're saying up to 4 inches more in addition to the 21 inches that we got from the blizzard. And here's Papa trying to find something to stop the Buick with, although it already has stopped.
Yeah.
And now I'm getting a battery low and an end of tape signal, so that's a double bad thing here, but Mom tried to get out to work in the Buick and was unable to get up Stonefield. And you can see just the immense piles of snow everywhere, and they have been coated by a new dusting of snow.
The problem is it's like sort of ice underneath it's just packed down now and very slippery. I had a hard time getting the Honda back into the driveway. I got stuck and had to go back and forth, back and forth.
And out there, I don't know if I recorded it, yesterday was where the Honda was, and I spent about an hour, at least hour and a half probably, digging it out and backing it into the driveway so it wouldn't get plowed in again. And so now we have more snow coming down. If we zoom in, I think you can see the snow better against the tree back there and the Clausen house. And luckily we had a snowplow come down yesterday, and we paid him $10 along with the Johnsons to plow the pipe stem. Here's our pathway, just surrounded by 4-foot mountains of snow. And let's see if we can zoom in against this house here. Maybe you can see better views of the snow coming down. There you go, that's a very good view. And here's the snow mountain outside on the deck. Let me open the door for you so you can see better. Just kidding. And it is about maybe 5.5 feet tall. It's very huge. And let's see, there you go. You can see the snow coming down onto the deck and into the backwoods. A very beautiful sight. And Justin's over here eating breakfast on day 2 of school cancellations. And school is already canceled for tomorrow, and we think likely for Thursday and Friday as well. Has been captured by the snow. Oh look, he's sniffing the camera. He has not gone outside since the blizzard struck, except for one short time outside to see what was going on. So he's getting a little restless.
This is heavy already. It's already getting packed down. Yeah, look. It's hollow in there. Here in my way. Avalanche here.
Look at that 4-foot pile of snow. And over there it peaks at over 5 feet. How come you're not wearing a hat, Mom?
It's too hot.
Really?
My hat and scarf are there on the end of the deck. This is an almost impossible impossible task, but it needs to be done. I'm afraid the deck is going to collapse. It's really heavy. Wish I had a snowblower. It must have really been blowing out there for it to drift up against the house.
Oh, goodness.
Nice snow.
Can you pack it into a snowball?
Not really. It doesn't. It's not very good packing snow.
And you really would not believe it, but there is our table buried underneath all that snow, where you can see the umbrella sticking out, and indeed under that is our deck table. And you can see some of our deck chairs just barely visible above the humongous snow drifts. Now if we can come over here, I can stick my foot down in here, and you can really maybe get a perspective of how deep this is. We're talking waist-high snowdrift. And here we see one of the first airplanes to fly over since the blizzard. As all airports in the Washington area have been closed for the last 2 days. Here we see the Clausen's driveway, all completely shoveled out. It looks like they came out after this recent couple inches today to reshovel. And actually, right there, if you can see where the white and the black meet right there, that's actually the end of the driveway. But this is the street. But you can see the street just barricaded off with snow mountains everywhere. And there in front of our mailbox, there's about a 5-foot mountain. And leading into our driveway, there's about 4.5-foot mountains of snow on each side of our driveway. It's just really an amazing sight what this storm has done in everyone's driveway who has shoveled it out. It's just mountains and mountains of snow like over here at the Vertex. Here you can sort of get the perspective as the snow mountain behind the mailbox is taller than the mailbox. And I'm standing in the middle of Stonefield Drive right now, which I don't really have to worry about being hit by a car because I'd really say there's not much traffic. We did get plowed twice yesterday. There is one lane plowed through here going up the street. I don't even know if you'll be able to make it out. But we do have one lane plowed out, and right in here, if you remember from the other video from yesterday, was the Honda was parked in here, buried, completely buried by snow. Well, I spent at least an hour yesterday shoveling it out, and now you see like a convenient little parking spot here for a vehicle that I completely cleared this area out. And the Honda is now sitting in the garage, because I didn't want a plow to come down here and plow it right back in. So it's just, middle of the street right here. We've got about a 3-foot mountain here, and mountains everywhere. It's just amazing. I don't know how long it's going to take for this area to recover from this. There is snow and sleet in the forecast for Friday. Today is Tuesday. And really no temperatures above freezing in the week-long forecast. So it's going to be a long time before this is cleared out. Now I'm expected to go back to the University of Missouri on Friday. Classes start on January 18th, so I still have quite a while, but I want to go back on Friday the 12th to get back a little bit early. And I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to get back to Missouri. We did see another plane just fly over, so the airport at Dulles must be open now. But with the backlog of everyone, who knows if there's going to be any seats. Plus, I have to fly back through Chicago, and they got a lot of this snow too, so it's just who knows what's going to happen. But this is certainly a great, great scene. This blizzard of 1996. It has been just wonderful. And our blizzard of 96 coverage continues. There's Smokey taking a nap. Papa's in here diligently working on a case.
I'll take my glasses off because I'm tired of looking like a grandfather.
And if we head on outside.
What this is, perhaps?
What is that?
This is so when I stand up, I'll remember not to hit my head on the.
Oh. I don't know if you remember what this was like before, but now you could actually open the door. And look, there's Mom out there. She has made amazing progress since we last checked in with her about 3 p.m. Now you are able to open the door. She's digging a path through here. There used to be the 5.5-foot snow mountain here, but Mom is obsessed with clearing the deck. She thinks it's going to collapse or melt into the house. But there's still about a 4-foot pile among parts of the deck. You still cannot see the table that was right there.